turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I seen it have been through it. I can't put it in my song, I know how to feel goes.
As class of today, the video that I'm going to be making is going to be about how can you make an intro on your phone, on an iPhone or Android. So without further ado, let's go get into this video. So first what I did was I went to the Safari because I needed a wallpaper, and when I typed in tubular wallpaper, however you say it, but I typed in that. And as I went through it, I had went to the images and I scrolled through all the images until I found the one that I wanted. But you can pick any one that you want. It don't matter how it look. It just matters if you like it or not, or if you think it's good enough. So I picked the pink little diamond thing. I picked that one. And so I had to save it after I typed like 3 times and it tricked me. After that, I had downloaded PixArt because I didn't have it. If you already have it, no worries. So after that, it made me do my fingerprint and all that, so I did that, and then I downloaded PixArt. So after the fact that I had downloaded PixArt or whatever, PixArt, so I had to go to my gallery to resize it to the YouTube video way. And so after I did that, I went home. I went to PixArt again. And then I had to log in with my Facebook account, and I didn't want to touch my information, so I turned the camera off. Then I went back, then it assisted me with my galleries. So I picked the wallpaper, and so after that, instead of going home, going to Google, I went to the stickers. I typed in Instagram, and I had got the sticker that looked like the Instagram, which was the one that says sunlights or whatever. And as I went, I found out that you cannot just like keep on typing it, but you got like type it and let it download. But I sized it and whatnot, and I had put it in the corner to get like my Instagram and Snapchat. I don't have Twitter, so I didn't do Twitter. But after I needed Snapchat, I went to the stickers again. I typed in Snapchat, and I got the Snapchat picture that looked like the newest one. And so after the fact, I resized Snapchat, and I had started to realize I don't have Twitter, so I need to make these bigger. After I did that, I had started putting my Instagram name, my username, which is itsme_Naya. And so after I had did that, I had like sized it, turned the color I wanted, did the shadows I wanted, all that. And then so I picked black because white wasn't gonna cut it on. Well, it could have, but I didn't want it. It didn't look right to me. So I had did the template, and I had did the shadow and all that. And so yes, I choose to do shadow because I think shadow to me looks better. But you don't have to choose shadow if you don't want it. So after the fact that I did that, I had went to Snapchat. Well, I had to stop it. Well, no, I sized it up with the word, like with the picture and the word that I'm picking out. That I had sized it up. So I had to go to Snapchat to get my Snapchat name because I had forgot it for a while. Like, I don't be giving it out. So I started recording, and I went back, and I found out my Snapchat name was D.Baddies3, which I'm going to change that, not now, and like going to be like in a couple months once I grow. And so I turned that black, and I didn't know the template number and all that for my other one, so it probably didn't look the same, but like I still did the shadow, and I still did the other stuff. And so, I don't know what happened then when it made me redo it, but I had resized it and all that. So, after the fact that I had resized it and did the shadow and the tablet color thingy, I had to, after that, I had picked the picture whenever that gonna happen because, like, I guess I was going too slow and all that, but, yeah. And so, we're gonna keep going until I go take my picture, until I select the picture I wanted. Okay, so I made sure that was straight. And so, after that, I had went to my pictures. Don't mind, I got a lot of pictures because people want me to make them intros. So, I had went to my pictures. I selected this one picture that I've been liking for I don't know how long now. So, I select that picture, and I had sized it up with the picture, the number, the letters and all of that. I sized it up with that. So then after that, I had I made sure it was straight and it was good, and I saved it. It's gonna ask you want to post it. Just hit save, and it's gonna say save to what? And hit save to galleries. And so after that, I saved it, and it asked me notification. I said do not allow. After I saved my stuff from the picture. I went to iMovie and made a movie with the picture, because without the picture on the movie, I cannot use Pocket Video to add music to my my picture. And I tapped on the thing on the picture, and I had to make it like stable, like stop moving, not move. So after I did that, I had to keep doing it over and over, because I tried to stay in the position, like see how it would look, but I still like stapled it. So I saved that to my galleries, and it saved. I did a HD 720p HP, whatever that is. So then after that, I went to my Pocket Videos, and I added a new project, and I hit the YouTube one, and I went to my videos, and I did the my intro. I went to the music. I added Pure Cocaine, Lil Baby. I did this music off of iTunes. I did not use my library because I don't have music in my library. I use everything off iTunes. I made my intros. And so it came up with 2, street gospel and the record.
If I ever have to turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I send it a bin. If I ever have to turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I send it a bin through. I can't put it in my song, I know how the feds go. Scream free out of the... If I ever have to turn on the gang, I won't do it. If I put it on a song, I send it a bin through. I can't put it in my song.
Y'all, that was how I make my intros on my videos. And I hope this helped y'all a lot. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.